Welcome back everyone. We will continue the string functions. String dot is lower. So you can see there is like a question mark. That means it is going to check whether the string given is completely in the lower case or not. So for example, James dot is lower. See, all the letters in James are in small case, so it returns true. Even a single letter is in capital letter, it will be returning false. Similar way, we can also have is upper. It will check whether all the characters in the string are in uppercase or not. Bond is upper. See there, one is capital, all others are small, so it returns false. In the case where all the characters are in uppercase, only it will return true. Is space. So we can also check whether it is a white space or not. For example, see, I have given the white space. That means only the quotes are available in between their blank spaces given. Is space? Yes, that is true. Similar way, is alpha. It will check whether all the characters are only alphabet. There is no digit or symbols. So James is alpha. It is true. Here it doesn't check whether it is capital or small. Any alphabet it will be returning true. Similar way, we can also check whether given characters are as digits. So we have given 007 in the code. As all the characters are digits, it will be returning as true. Though it is in the code, every character symbolizes only the digit. So that is the reason it gives true. Is AL num. So that means it checks whether alphabet and numerical, that is digit, both are there. 007 James is alphanumeric. We can understand like alphanumeric. Okay. So this gives true. Now let us work on the Python window and then understand how it works. Now let me have st is equal to, we are learning, st dot is lower. So now everything is in lower case, so it gives true. Now let me change this value, st is equal to vr. See, there are two letters which is uppercase. st dot is lower now will result false. Similar way, I will be checking for the uppercase. Let me again change the value, st is equal to Python. Now st dot is upper. It will be true. So let us check whether it is white space. st dot is space. Absolutely, this is going to be false. Now I directly give some space as a string. 2 space I have given, dot is space. So this will result true. Now I will give st is equal to some digits 342. Now let me check st dot is digit. It is true. In case of mixed one, so for example, if I give like 345 ABC dot is digit, then it is going to be false. Let us check now is alpha. St is equal to learn Python programming online. Here you can also see there are space. Space are not alphabets. So if I run this, it will be showing false. St dot is alpha. So there was a spelling mistake here. Let me again try st dot is alpha. So it is false. Let me give only the alphabets without any space. St is equal to learn computer programming online. See, there are no more symbols or space. Now if I execute st dot is alpha, it is true. Even one symbol or digit is being included, then it gives false. White space is not alphabet. Please remember. Now let me also include some symbols. St is equal to, I give simply some dollar symbol and then currency. Now st dot is alpha. It shows false. Even a digit we are adding. Let me add st is equal to one digit here as 6 and then 3, currency again. St dot is alpha. So false. Now let me give some number 1, 2, 3 dot is digit. It is true. Let me have some decimal number. You should not get confused. Dot is not a digit. So it will be giving you false. Is digit. Right? Now let us check for alphanumeric. I give st is equal to ABC 1, 2, 3. St dot is alpha al pha. NUM alphanumeric. Okay. So it is true. In case if I add any symbol or space, it is going to be false. Let me give an example even for that. ABC and 1, 2, 3 is alpha numeric. We have not put the dot there. So let me again do this. You could see that is false. We have checked all these on the Python. We are having little more string functions that we will continue in the next class. Keep watching my channel and learning. Thank you.